Good morning. The storm has passed Beirut and I'm ready to head north. Maybe not. I forgot in a whole day of sitting on the couch, hiding from the rain in Beirut, that I need new brake pads. And now when I'm ready to go, the power's gone out in the building, so I'm not able to go down in the lift with the bicycle, and the stairwell is very dark, so I'm putting new brake pads on now by torchlight. Never a dull moment in Lebanon. Here's Bassam testing out the roll-off. What do you think?
Very smooth.
Yeah.
Excellent. No, really. Excellent. And you can change not just one.
Oh, yes, multiple.
All of
Yeah.
them,
As many as you like.
Time, and it's
midday, and I'm finally on my way. The power came back, so I was able to get the bike down the lift. I have new brake pads, and I'm really excited because a friend of mine is waiting for me in Beirut. There was a lot of drama. He thought he had to cancel last night, but he's here and he's waiting, so I'm on my way. There's no power for the traffic lights, so normally the intersections are just open, but here there's the military directing traffic. Road is closed. Some traffic-free cycling in Lebanon, yes please. I bought something called English cake, which does not look like any cake I've ever had before, but is good. And I'm having it with labna, which is some kind of strange yogurt creme fraiche combination. First Lebanese puncture. Yehya,
Oh, welcome.
how was your first day of bike touring?
It's so beautiful. I'm so strong.
Nice.
Because I can be with you.
I'm a good motivator. So for dinner we have marmara, which is made from chili and walnut and pomegranate and olive oil. And you have something similar in Syria, but without the pomegranate. Different.
Some different.
The hummus is pretty good though, and the wine is going down very nicely. Saha. Uhana.
Ohana.
What's that?
The same idiom, okay, in other languages.
Like bon appetit. Enjoy your meal. Okay. Saha.
How Hana.
Uhana. Shukran.
Welcome.